So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually go on to earning your first $1,000 on Clickbank as a complete beginner right here. And if you're actually new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. And if you do like such content, make sure you do scroll through my video right now and actually do go on to watching some cool videos right there that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online. And make sure you're also subscribed to this particular channel and your notification bell is always turned on all, so that I could always alert you whenever I release such cool and amazing videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income online. And with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head onto this platform right here, which is called the FreePLR and this is quite an amazing platform which you want to just simply go on to taking advantage of to go on to getting free PLRs. And with this platform right here guys, you can actually get free PLRs on any niche of your choice, as you can actually do go on to seeing right here that the niches are quite numerous. You could get PLRs on the addiction niche, on the affiliate marketing niche, affirmation, Amazon, blogging, both bodybuilding, and a lot of niches right here. And niches are quite numerous right now, so guys, you do get PLR on each and every one of these niches right here. And if you do want to make sure you do go into searching for a niche right now, maybe I want to just simply focus on the weight loss niche, I'm just going to come right here to this search section, and if I do search for weight loss and click on search right now, I will be able to see ebooks that are actually related to this niche right now. So guys, you can actually do see lots of ebooks right here, and supposing I want to just simply use this ebook, I can just simply click on this ebook right now. If I do click on that, and then just simply go on to this particular section, click on download, and actually download this ebook on my device. As you can see, the downloading process is actually in progress and the downloading is actually being completed. So once that has actually been downloaded, I'm just going to go on to my device manager. So right now my device manager guys, you can actually do see this is it right here. I'm just going to go on to extracting this file right now. So once the file has successfully been extracted, you can actually do open that and you'll be able to see that ebook right here. And this is the ebook right now. So what you want to do next guys is to actually come back to this particular section and head onto this platform right here called the PDF to docs.com. And if you do head onto this platform guys, you can actually convert your PDF to a document file. What you want to do right now is you just simply click on upload file. And if you do click on upload file right now, you just want to go on to selecting that particular document file or PDF file right there. So if I do open this section, this is the PDF file. I'm going to click on open, and that is actually going to be converted to a document file. As you can see, the conversion process is in progress. Now I can then just simply download that on my device, and once that has actually been downloaded, it's also going to come in the format of a zip file. So I'm just going to go on to extracting that also. So once that file has actually been extracted, if I do open that right in here, as you can see, this is the document file. Next, I'm just actually going to go on to opening this particular document file right now. So the main reason why we're actually doing this guys is because we actually want to go on to inserting or promoting our affiliate marketing products in that particular PDF. So while that is actually opening up, you then want to just simply head on to Clickbank right here and go to the affiliate marketplace for Clickbank. And if you do head on to that particular section guys, you'll be brought to this particular page, and you then want to just simply go on to selecting offers that are actually related to that particular ebook right there. So you can see offers on the health and fitness niche. Maybe you can see if I do click on that right there, because that's actually related to that particular offer. You can actually do see this one right here, which is the Live Pure. You can see the app lane and a lot more other kinds of offers right now. And guys, maybe you want to just simply promote an offer that is related to weight loss, and this is quite related to that right now. You can do see right here that if you do successfully direct someone to complete this offer, you do get paid about $136.75 for every successful lead which you do get to this offer right now. So what you want to do right here is just simply click on promote. You want to type in your affiliate nickname right now, and you can then just simply go on to generating or creating your hub link, which you can actually use to promote this offer right now. And if you do that right here, you want to just simply head back to your document file. And right here guys, I'm back to my document file. I'm just going to go on to clicking on enable editing, and once that has actually been inserted, I'm just going to go on to scrolling through. And if I do scroll through, for this particular first section right here which says introduction, I'm just going to go on to adding something right here, such as this. And if I do add in something like this which says number 1 recommendation to weight loss right here, I can actually do go on to highlighting this text. So guys, once this text has been highlighted, you want to just simply come right here, click on insert, and if you do click on insert, you'll be able to see a link section. So if I do click on link right now, you can actually do go on to adding your link address to your Clickbank affiliate link on this particular section. So if I do actually come right here, paste in that link and click on OK, that link has actually been added to this particular text. You then want to just simply go on to doing this exact same thing for every other page right here of this particular ebook. And once you are done, you can then just simply go on to saving this right now. And once this is saved, I can then just simply go on to closing this right here, and I can then just head back to this particular platform which is called the PDF to docs right here, and I'm just going to convert this right now from docs back to PDF. So if I select this docs to PDF right now, as you can see, this is actually the docs to PDF. And right now you want to just simply go on to uploading your file, and I'm just going to select upload file right now, and I'm just going to go back to uploading that exact same file right back. So this is actually the file right in here. So if I do select this file, click on open, the file is actually being uploaded and it's going to get converted to PDF. I'm going to download that again, and once I do download that right now, that has been downloaded. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to unzipping that particular document file, and you then want to just simply head on to platforms to actually drive traffic to that. And how do you drive traffic to that? You want to use this simple platform right here, which is called the free-ebooks.net. and if you do head on to this platform, you want to just simply go on to clicking on publish. And right here on this platform, you could also go on to publishing books today, where millions of readers actually do find it great reading. So you want to just simply go on to logging into your account if you do have one, but if you don't have one, you could sign up for an account. So right here guys, as you can see, I can actually come back to this particular section right here where I want to insert the book title, the author's name, and you want to just simply put your name right here. And for this particular section, you could actually go on to add in your ebook from your device. You want to give a simple description of how the ebook actually is. Adding the ebook from your device, you can actually do go on to choosing the file and actually upload that right here. So this is the ebook right now. Maybe the one I just actually downloaded. Maybe I'm just going to select this zip file right here and actually upload that on this particular section. And once I'm done right here, I can just simply click on update. That particular ebook will be added. You want to select the book type, book category, and actually select if you want to select a second, you can actually do pages amount right here, and you want to just simply fill out these details appropriately, agree to the terms of services right now, and actually do go on to uploading that on this particular platform for absolutely free for people to actually do go on to gaining access to that. So this is quite amazing right now, because for as many people that do actually go on to reading that ebook, you'll be able to see that your unique affiliate link directing them to that Clickbank product, and you can actually do go on to making money with that. The cool thing about this strategy is that you want to just simply go on to doing that for as many ebooks, which you can actually do get right here on this particular platform called the FreePLR downloads.com. So you want to do this for multiple ebooks and actually get ebooks right there. Go on to promoting multiple CPA marketing offers and uploading on this platform called the FreeEbooks.net. And with that, you can actually start making a lot of money. And I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, make sure you do go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.